Hey guys, this is Alex Pierce from LightsailVR.com. LS HDRi Pack 1 is a high-quality pack of 20 HDRIs, photographed, processed, and set up by us for Blender in both Cycles and Octane for Blender. Make sure to watch our other videos to see how to use this with Blender's asset browser or to see how to use it with Octane for Blender. Links are in the description. Let's take a look at some of our HDRI features. Each world is set up with 3 separate images, one for lighting, one for the backdrop, and one for blur. This allows you to adjust the lighting separately from the background, adjust the background separately from lighting, and to add blur. You can blur the background separately from the reflection, or you can blur both. Reflection strength allows you to increase or decrease the strength of the reflection without affecting the lighting or the backdrop. Lighting strength allows you to adjust the lighting independently from the background. Background strength allows you to adjust the background independently of the lighting. If you want your shadows to be less harsh, you can decrease the shadow strength. To make your image warmer, you can decrease the temperature or increase it to make it more blue. You can decrease the saturation for both lighting and background separately. And you can adjust the contrast. You can adjust the lighting hue or the background hue independently. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.